Alone, each fiber is ordinary, but they weave together, connect, and become stronger, forming a piece of paper with endless possibilities. Paper brings us acceptance into a community. It can be a declaration of love, a form of expression, or a rallying cry. Paper provides comfort in uncharted territory and lays the foundation to build our future. Paper can contain the first inklings of an institution like no other. It can show us a place to come together over centuries to create something incredible, something bold. It tells us where we come from and gives us inspiration to seek out where we're going. Today, not only do we celebrate paper, we celebrate the ink left on the page and the people who believe in it.